This is my early 1940s, I'm guessing 41, 42, Schwinn Excelsior bicycle. This was my grandfather's. I'm 67 years old, and one of my brother-in-laws restored the bike for me to look almost brand new. Well, it does actually. It has a horn tank and it works. All that stuff's original. Front lights all original. My grandpa, he had a bicycle shop. This is a pogo seat. When you sit on it, this slides up and down in there. This rod goes all the way down inside there, real far down in there. These things are really sought after. This is leather, black leather, that my grandfather cut out of a old flight jacket, and he recovered the seat himself, and he just did a fantastic job. My Grandpa Ellis was amazing. Very old bike, very cool bike, very heavy bike. As you know, Schwinn purchased Excelsior motor division, and Excelsior became, a motorcycle company. They already had one, and Schwinn kept that going for a while. But they also used that same design and made a really nice heavy cruiser bike. Here's the Springer front end, and even though Grandpa could replace that part, he decided he was going to forge weld a crack that was in it. Go figure. I don't know why, but that's why I leave it like that. I have the head badge off of it right now, working on the front end a little bit and replacing one of the screws in the head badge. The head badge reads Excelsior across the center, and then at the top it says Schwinn, and on the bottom it says built. Schwinn built Excelsior. One of my pride and joys.